In previous video, we learned how to locate points on Cartesian plane. How to locate the given points on Cartesian plane. X coordinate, Y coordinate, X axis, Y axis, origin, quadrants, everything we learned. Then first exercise is not important. No need to do that exercise. Second exercise, that's very simple. You can do by yourself. You can easily locate that points on a Cartesian plane. Very simple. Now I am going to explain exercise 3.3. Second question I am explaining. So that question, plot the points x, y given in the following table on the plane, choosing suitable units of the distance on the axis. So we need to locate the points on a Cartesian plane. That is our question. So here we can draw x-axis and y-axis, and here we have decimal minus 1.25. We have minus 1.25. In our graph sheet, we have dark lines, and in between we have 10 small lines. Here 10 small lines, and here the middle one is a dark line. So in your graph sheet you can see this is dark, then again one more dark. So it is like that. So when we take 1 point, suppose you are taking 1 here and 2 here, then 1.5 is the middle one. 1.5 is the middle one when we take 1 here and 2 here. But we need 1.25. That is minus 1.25. Suppose it is 1.25. 1.5 we can easily locate. Then in between 1 and 1.5 we have 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, then 1.5. But 1.25 we don't have. 1.25 we don't have. 1.1 we can locate. 1.2 is possible. 1.3 possible, 1.4, 1.5, but 1.25 is not possible if you take 1, 2, 3, etc. like this. So we need to change the scale. So instead of taking 1, 2, 3 here, we will take alternate places. 1, 2, 3. Here 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Same in y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Alternate places. 1 unit, 1 centimeter. Normally we take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit is equal to 10 centimeter. So here we will take 1 unit is equal to 20 centimeter. So here 1 unit is equal to 20 centimeter. Now we can easily locate that point. First one is minus 2, 8. In x-axis we will take a minus 2, and in y-axis 8. Minus 2 here, 8. So minus 2 and 8. So this is our point. In graph sheet we can easily locate this point. So this is minus 2, 8. So once again you listen here. Alternate places we need to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And here also same. Then above x-axis and below x-axis. In y-axis also we will take alternate places. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Now first point is minus 2, 8. In x-axis minus 2 and in y-axis 8. So this is our point. Minus 2, 8. Minus 2, 8. Then minus 1, 7. In x-axis minus 1 and in y-axis 7. So minus 1, 7. Here. This is our point. Minus 1, 7. Actually this line is not required because if you are doing in graph sheet, no need to draw the perpendiculars. Minus 1, 7. Then 0, minus 1.25. Here we have drawn 0, minus 1.25. So this is origin 0. then minus 1.25. So this is minus 1 and this is minus 2. And in between minus 1 and minus 2, now we have 10 small divisions. We have 10 small divisions, and here the middle one is, this is minus 1, then this is minus 1, and this is minus 1.5, minus 1, this is minus 2, so the middle one is minus 1.5, so the minus 1.25 is the middle of minus 1 and minus 1.5. So this is that point, minus 1.25, minus 1, minus 2, middle one is minus 1.5, and the middle point of minus 1 and minus 1.5, midpoint of minus 1 and minus 1.5 is minus 1.25, and here x coordinate is 0, so this is that point, x coordinate 0, comma minus 1.25, that point. Then 1, 3, here 1 and here 3, 1, comma 3, and 3, comma minus 1, in x-axis 3 and in y-axis minus 1, 3, comma minus 1, so here minus 1 is here, 3 here, so this is that point, 3, minus 1. So now we located all the points, and here 0, minus 1.25, minus 1.25, minus 1 here, minus 2 here, the middle one, that is minus 1.5, so the midpoint of minus 1 and minus 1.5, that is this point, that is minus 1.25, and x coordinate is 0, so this is the point 0, comma minus 1.25. Okay, now we can do first question, same exercise. Exercise 3.3, question number 1. In which quadrant or on which axis do each of the following points minus 2, 4, 3, comma minus 1, minus 1, question number 1, minus 1, comma 0, 1, comma 2, minus 3, comma minus 5. In which quadrant or on which axis do each of the following points lie? Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. So we want to verify this answer by locating them on Cartesian plane. So here no need to change the scale. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. And here the first point is minus 2, 4. Minus 2, 4. X coordinate negative and y coordinate positive. In first, this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, then third quadrant and fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, in previous video we learned, in first quadrant, x coordinate and y coordinate, both of them are positive, because we take the numbers from positive direction of x-axis and positive direction of y-axis. And in second quadrant, x coordinate from negative, x coordinate from here. So here all the numbers are negative. So negative, and y coordinate from y-axis, that is positive side. So negative, positive. And in third quadrant, x coordinate and y coordinate, both the numbers are negative, negative, negative. And in fourth quadrant, x coordinate from positive direction of x-axis and y coordinate from negative direction of x-axis. So positive, negative. So in first quadrant, positive, positive. In second quadrant, negative, positive. In third quadrant, negative, negative. And in fourth quadrant, positive, negative. And when we take any point from x-axis, its y coordinate will be 0. Any point from x-axis, point on x-axis, point on x-axis is x coordinate can be any number, but y coordinate will be 0. Then point on y-axis. Point on y-axis is y coordinate. Sorry, x coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate can be any number. So when we take any point from x-axis, its y coordinate will be 0. This is 6, 0 and this point is minus 2, 0. So when we take any point from x-axis, its y coordinate will be 0. Similarly, when we take any point from y-axis, its x coordinate will be 0. This point 0, 4 and this point, this one 0, minus 5. So when we take any point from y-axis, its x coordinate will be 0, and when we take any point from x-axis, its y coordinate will be 0. So the general form of a point on x-axis is x, 0, y coordinate is 0, and the general form of a point on y-axis, that is 0, y, here x coordinate 0. So now we can go back to that question. Here minus 2, 4, x coordinate negative and y coordinate positive. X coordinate negative, y coordinate positive. That means first one is in second quadrant. Then 3, minus 1, x coordinate positive, y coordinate negative. Positive, negative. That is from fourth quadrant. Then minus 1, 0. So here y coordinate is 0. So this is not a point from any quadrant. So if y coordinate is 0, then that is a point on x-axis. And here 1, 2. Both the points are positive. If x coordinate and y coordinate are positive, then that point is from first quadrant. And here both the points are negative. If x coordinate and y coordinate are negative, then that is from third quadrant. So the first one negative, positive, second quadrant, positive, negative, fourth quadrant, y coordinate is 0, point from x-axis, both the points positive, first quadrant, both the points negative, third quadrant. Now we can locate them. Minus 2, 4. In x-axis minus 2 and in y-axis 4. So minus 2, 4 here. Minus 2, 4. Then 3, minus 1. In x-axis 3 and in y-axis minus 1. 3, minus 1. 3, minus 1. Then minus 1, 0. In x-axis minus 1 and y-axis 0. That means that this is the point minus 1, 0. This is a point on x-axis. 1, 2. In x-axis 1, in y-axis 2. So that is this point. 1, 2. Then minus 3, minus 5. In x-axis minus 3 and in y-axis minus 5. In y-axis minus 5, x-axis minus 3. So this one. Minus 3, minus 5. So now we located all the points and we can easily find whether it is a point from first quadrant or second quadrant, etc., or point from x-axis or y-axis, etc. So that is exercise 3.3, question number 1. Exercise 3.2 we can easily do. Everybody can do that exercise. And 3.1 is not important. Okay.